Dinefy AI has just been released, and today I'll be sharing with you 7 crucial things you need to know about this software before diving in. If you're curious about Dinefy AI and how it can take your digital marketing and business automation to the next level, stick with me until the end. I'll walk you through everything you need to understand, and trust me, there's a reason why this software is generating so much buzz. First off, let me tell you this. Dinefy AI isn't just another marketing tool. It's a powerhouse designed to help you streamline your business operations, automate tedious tasks, and improve your digital presence effortlessly. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or someone looking to automate your processes, Dinefy AI promises to be a game changer. The core feature that stands out about Dinefy AI is its ability to personalize customer experiences like never before. It leverages machine learning to analyze user data and behavior, then tailors marketing strategies based on that analysis. This means that your customers receive a more customized, engaging experience, which leads to higher conversion rates and better customer retention. It's one of the most sophisticated AI tools for digital marketers, and it's just getting started. Another thing you need to know is how easy it is to integrate Dinefy with existing platforms. You don't need to be a tech wizard to start using this tool. Whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or even more complex CRMs, Dinefy AI plugs right into your current setup, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. The user interface is intuitive, so even if you're a beginner, you won't get overwhelmed by complex setups. Now, if you're worried about the learning curve, don't be. Dinefy AI offers comprehensive training and tutorials that make it easy for anyone to get started. The platform also has a responsive customer support team, which is a huge plus for new users who might have questions or need help getting things up and running. One of the key features that really impressed me was Dinefy's ability to automate email marketing campaigns. Gone are the days of manually drafting emails to thousands of customers. Dinefy AI allows you to create dynamic email sequences that can be triggered based on customer actions, preferences, or behavior, significantly increasing your chances of conversions without lifting a finger. Dinefy AI also shines when it comes to analytics. The software doesn't just give you basic reports, it provides deep insights into customer behavior, campaign performance, and more. You'll have access to real-time data that lets you adjust your strategies instantly, ensuring that you're always on top of your marketing game. If you're a data-driven marketer, this feature is invaluable. Let's talk about its scalability. Dinefy AI is designed to grow with you. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur just getting started or a large enterprise, the platform adapts to your needs. You can start with the basics and expand your usage as your business grows, without worrying about outgrowing the software. Lastly, I want to highlight the fact that Dinefy AI is offering a completely free trial. Yes, you can test out the software for yourself without any financial commitment, which is a rare and valuable offer in the world of digital marketing tools. Don't just take my word for it. Head over to the first link below and see for yourself. In conclusion, Dinefy AI is one of the most promising AI tools released recently. With its powerful customer personalization, easy integrations, automated marketing, and robust analytics, it's a great choice for anyone looking to supercharge their marketing strategy. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say this one stands out. If you want to give Dinefy AI a try, just click the link below and get started with the free trial. And don't forget, I've listed my recommended AI tools in the description that you can try for free as well.